I am Anil Kumar Khandelwal. Welcome to my series on calculus. In this video, we are going to discuss how do we find the limits using the method of substitution. Many of you are familiar with it. We'll go with the very basics as we usually do and develop the whole concept. In case you want to attend my classes, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students worldwide are doing excellent. So the problem here is to find the limit when x approaches 1 for square root of x minus 1 over cube root of x minus 1. Now first step, as you know, is to just substitute and try. So when I substitute 1 here, what do I get? We get square root of 1 minus 1 over cube root of 1 minus 1, and that gives you what? That gives you 0 over 0. Now 0 over 0 is an indeterminate. Means the value is not defined. You cannot find the value. However, 0 over 0 also indicate that there is a common factor in numerator and denominator, which is kind of x minus 1, because substituting 1 gives you 0. You get the whole idea. So we could actually solve this question by factoring, cancelling out that common factor. But the other method is substitution, which we are going to use in this particular case. Now, many students find it difficult what to substitute here. Since we have two things, one is x to the power of half. Let's try to understand that strategy also now. What to substitute, right? So we have x to the power of half, and then we have x to the power of 1 by 3. So that's the cube root. So the best thing to substitute definitely is a common denominator of half and 1/3. You get the whole idea, right? So we are going to substitute u to the power of 6 as equal to x. You get the whole idea. So we'll substitute x equals to u to the power of 6. So that is the substitution which we are going to make. Now see, if I want to write x to the power of half in terms of u, it becomes half of 6, which is u cubed. And if I want to write 1/3, then it is 1/3 of 6, which is u squared. Makes sense, right? I hope that's absolutely clear. Right? This is kind of important to understand when the substitution is kind of tricky. Okay, so we've done this part. And clearly we are substituting for x approaching 1. So we should also see what happens when x approaches 1. So when x approaches 1, u to the power of 6 also approaches 1. So the limit remains same, right? So now we have covered all these steps. Now these are very important steps to mention. Sometimes we have communication marks and it helps. Okay, so we can rewrite our question. So now our question becomes limit u approaches 1, right? We have substituted u. And square root is u cube minus 1 over cube root is u square. Perfect. And now you know how to factor these and then cancel the common factor which we were talking about. Getting to this itself is kind of tricky at times. So let me do it in the next line. So we could rewrite this as limit u approaches 1, right? U cube minus 1 will be u minus 1 times u square plus the product of 2, right? Plus 1 square, right? So 1. Okay, all are plus, right? Okay. And here we have u minus 1 times u plus 1. Correct. And clearly you can see we can cancel the factor which was giving 0 over 0. So we know that x is not, or let me write, u is not equal to 1, correct? It is approaching 1. That's kind of very important to understand. All these may look like trivial at sometimes, but they make huge difference. Okay, great. So we come up with the final statement here, which is limit u approaches 1. And we have u square plus u plus 1 on top and u plus 1 on the denominator. So, of course, now you can substitute and see what really happens, correct? And what you get is your answer, which is 3 by 2. So the answer is 3 by 2. And that is how you do it. So I hope all the steps are absolutely clear. Well, we are publishing books on Amazon, and a lot of books have been published. The calculus book will be there in the month of March. So keep an eye on that. In case you want a sneak peek, send an email to me on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com for whatever chapter you feel like. Have a great day. Thanks and all the best.